Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu, "Appoint one of your sons to serve me so that I may venture towards Khaybar." So Hazrat Abu Talha took me along with him, seating me behind him, and I was near puberty. So I served Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Whenever he sallallahu alaihi wasallam laid over at any place, I would heard him sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I seek refuge in you from melancholy, grief, humility, sluggishness, niggardliness, cowardice, running into debt, and being overcome by people." Then we reached Khaybar. When Allah Jalla Jalaluhu got the fort captured by him, the charm of Hazrat Safiya, the daughter of Huyay bin Akhtab, was mentioned, whose husband was killed in that war, and she was then a bride. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam liked him as his wife. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam proceeded, taking her along with him, and when he reached at Sehba, she got clean, her menses terminated, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam practiced coitus with her. Then Hayes was served on a small meal sheet, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, "Invite the people all around you to meal." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam threw this wedding banquet for Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu anha. Then we proceeded towards Medina Munawwara. He said that he witnessed Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when need arose, would envelop her in his wrap over, then sit beside his camel, and Hazrat Safiya would ride, putting her foot on his knee. We kept on marching until we reached near to Medina Munawwara. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam cast his glance at mountain Uhud and said, "This mountain loves us and we love it." Then he looked towards Medina Munawwara and said, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I make the place between two stony plains a sanctuary, as Ibrahim alayhi salam made Makkah Mukarramah a sanctuary. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless their mud and sa, units of measurement." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2893.